Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about harvesting, foraging, finding beautiful flowers. There's a lot of discussion. Should you harvest early in the morning? Should you harvest late in the evening? There's arguments for both. Key is have water ready because you want to get them into the water as quickly as possible. What I've learned from graduates is oftentimes harvesting in the late afternoon when they've gone through the process of photosynthesis, so the flower is full of food but slightly dehydrated, can be the best time to harvest. Then, taking the time to give it a nice cut, dip it into the quick dip. Quick dip does make a difference. Then immediately into a bucket of water so that it starts replacing that lost moisture. Because we have found that it's easier to replace the fluids than it is the foods. So by going through harvesting in the afternoon, they're full of food, photosynthesis has been going on, and now you just give it a cut, quick dip, and place it in, let it drink, let it sit overnight, and then it's ready to work with the next day. Now you know a great way for foraging and harvesting.